Academics and departments. IIT Patna offer a wide range of academic programs that aim to foster critical thinking, innovation, and practical application. The institute follow a semester-based curriculum designed to meet international standards while addressing national need. Academic programs are offered at undergraduate, which is called BTech, postgraduate, MTech, MC, MSc, and doctoral PhD level. The BTech program is most sought after, attracting top ranking students through the joint entrance examination, which is called JEE Advanced. The available discipline includes computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, chemical and biochemical engineering, metallurgical and material engineering. Each program emphasizes not just the theoretical learning but also hands-on experience through project, internship, and lab work. At the postgraduate level, IIT Patna offers MTech program in areas like communication system, mathematics and computing, mechatronics and nanotechnology. The MSc program in chemistry, physics, and mathematics cater to students interested in a fundamental science. Doctoral programs are available across all departments, promoting interdisciplinary research and collaboration. The faculty at IIT Patna is one of the greatest strengths, comprising highly qualified professors, researchers, and scholars from reputed institutes in India and abroad. The faculty ensure that students receive world-class mentorship, regular workshop, guest lecture, and industry interactions keep the curriculum aligned with emerging technologies. IIT Patna has also introduced the interdisciplinary center such as Center for Mechatronics, Center of Engineering and Environment, Center of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, which encourage research that bridges multiple fields. The curriculum flexibility allows students to choose elective courses, engage in innovation-driven projects, and even pursue minors with other departments. Evaluation at IIT Patna is continuous and comprehensive, ensuring students remain engaged throughout the semester. The institute also promotes innovation through programs like Design Innovation Center, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, which encourage students to transform ideas into viable products or startups. The academic environment is rigorous yet supportive, ensuring every student develop both technical competence and soft skill, with emphasis on critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. IIT Patna academic framework prepares graduates for global challenges, ensuring they emerge as a leader in engineering, research, and industry.